basically, I'm coming in to you a video. I'm gonna make a bong, because if you watch my first video, the smoke session, basically I said that I don't smoke blunt, don't smoke bongs really. I do, but I don't. I just usually smoke spliffs. But since I have no tobacco today and I have weed, I need to get high. So how are we gonna do that? By making a bong. So you ready for this? We gonna make a bong. Looks nasty. It tastes real good, but it's been sitting there for 2 days. Ugh. I'm gonna go wash this out, and then I'm gonna like get everything and smoke out of it. Yeah. Hey. Okay, so I got my bottle. Sorry about this light, like overpowering, but oh well. I got my bottle with like a little bit of water. So what I was gonna do is use foil and do like a little pipe kind of thing, but we can't find any foil, so we're gonna have to do like a joint. So I'm gonna get the grinder. Okay, so the weed that I'm using, Star Dog. Yeah. I'm back again with some roach, you know. This house is haunted. So actually it's giving me weird vibes. Okay. And then we have to make a hole in the bottle. As you can tell, the past 3 videos, well, this is the 3rd video, I haven't worn makeup. You will see me in makeup soon, but I just haven't lately because I'm retro like that. Let's go. Okay. Ah! What just happened there? Did you just fucking see that? Oh, I fucked it up. Fucked it up. Fucked it up. So we've got a little joint. We're gonna stick it in here. See that? And now the fun begins. So now we're gonna try and get lit as hell. Let me rephrase that. Lit as fuck. Here we go. Actually, I might have to suck it just to... You see the bottle filling up now? Yeah. You want proper smoke. I know I'm gonna cough. It's worth it. Okay. Now, you can see the bottle full of smoke. And I'm gonna show you the honors. I'm doing it. Fuck! I think we're gonna have to save this. Really, I should have some water, but I don't. Yeah. Let's cook it. I need a drink. Oh, I took in too much. Like, wait, hold on. I took I took more than I could handle, and it's really hard. Oh god, that feels so good. I didn't because my eyes watering. I can't and like, okay. Oh, fucking burn my finger off that fucking thing. Okay, I'm really scared. Okay. Hold it. Hold it. I'm gonna proceed, like. Okay. I can't even. I'm done. I just sneeze. Well, shit. I can definitely say, this got me as fuck. I swear to God. And this fucking thing bit my fucking finger. Anyways, I will see you guys in my next video. I know this was shit, but oh well. Bye.